Shopkins are coming back. Shopkins are coming back. My inner child feels so healed right now. I used to have a suitcase full of Shopkins. So let's unbox this one. I don't think anybody understands how excited I am for this right now. Like, oh my gosh. This one is season 4 and I bought it off somebody from Depop because they're obviously discontinued. Hopefully not for too long. This is the 12 pack, so there is 2 mystery ones in here and I'm so excited to unbox them. We got our little checklist. The first one we got is Egg Chick and she is so cute. Like, I actually love this one. This one is Berry Smoothie. She is also so cute. Ice Cream Queen. We have a little Cindy Bon. I don't think you guys understand. I am true to this. I am not new to this. I used to make my mom take me to the store and I'd be like, please give me some Shopkins. And we were poor. So she was like, no, please. I don't care if we eat dinner. Milk Bud. Millie Mushroom. Cookie Nut. Minty. And she's really cute. Like, the little plant ones are my favorite. Prickles. Merry Wishes. Now we're gonna get into the 2 surprise ones. We got maple syrup. This one's Puppy House and she's glittery. These are genuinely my babies. Like, my heart feels so happy right now, guys. I can't even explain it. Comment if you want me to buy more and I will do more unboxings for you guys because this genuinely just brought me so much serotonin. Come back here. Thank you guys for watching.